Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen flickering issue on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on click on Display and Brightness. And if you want to fix this problem, so turn off Auto Brightness button. After turn off Auto Brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on System and Update. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so reset all settings. Click on Settings app. Click on System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset. And click on Reset Phone. And reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on Reset. Again click on Reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.